We might need to also put a snare in here. Okay, so this guy, yeah, we can... Oh, that's good. Okay, we got a solid, like, drum part here now. Also, you know, just one small difference I've been making my drums lately is rather than individually choosing a bunch of one-shots and putting them in a drum rack, what I've been opting to do instead is taking a drum break where I really like the texture, the quality of the drum break, or just the drum loop, right? And I chop it apart. And I don't know, I feel like that's been getting me like some really satisfying drums. Like these to me feel so perfect, right? Okay, let's maybe 2 steps down. Yeah. This is just like a lot warmer. This space right here feels a little bit dead. Maybe we just bring over this guy. Yeah. Okay. Do we need like wind chime in here? Okay, let's start coming in with some synthesizers. I've been obsessed with Arturia. I feel like I've been neglecting purity, okay? I love purity. All right, we're going to pull out purity for one specific synth that I love. That's what it sounds like. God, that's so good. The cool thing about the flute is like it doesn't intrude like a trumpet does into vocals. It's just a little bit of a higher range. So we could make this more background kind of stuff, but still kind of carry the, you know, the virtuosity that would really just appeal instrumentally. Are you kidding me, dude? Dude. This is where we need to start coming in with subtle details. guy right over here. Like, that's kind of mad, but right here. Oh, come on. Okay, I'll tell you guys what. We're gonna keep that, but we're gonna try this again. I think I'm just really liking that lick is what's going on here. It was a slight variation. We're gonna keep this guy. And we might kind of split this up between a few instruments. Let's pull out our guitar. We're gonna go modern jazz. We had some stuff there. See, right here on this last note, I think I want to try something a little different. I want to go, ba-wah. Like that. Let's see. Okay, we're gonna get a little bit of reverb on this. Airverb. And we are going to get this LA2A, and maybe we do it after the reverb like this. And that's just kind of normalizing the volume a bit. I got an idea for this last one. What if instead of this bass line, we're going to double this up on the snares? Well, that's kind of a cool way to end it, actually. We definitely want some nice reverb on these claps. Dude, that's a sick track. Oh, man. Let's save it. That is so good.